Dear friends, welcome. A warm welcome to all the students of SYBA Discipline Specific Course DSC 1A. Earlier, this Discipline Specific course was called as Special English Paper 1 course or paper in the sense subject. This is Dr. Tejas Beldar, your online instructor and working as an assistant professor in Nashik Shikshan Prasarak Mandal's Arts and Commerce Mahila Mahavidyalaya. Dear friends, today we will have introduction to SYBA Discipline Pacific Course 1. Title of the paper is Appreciating Drama. Dear students, we'll discuss a little bit about the term, the concept drama. Drama is natak in Marathi. Drama is an age old form of literature. Drama is a performing art form. Drama has been undergoing several transformations, changes in its form and performance. In this sense, the world of drama has been exploring and exposing many distinguishing theoretical, literary, and theatrical dimensions. In view of this, the syllabus prescribed under this paper, Discipline Pacific Course 1, Appreciating Drama, attempts to give justice to the multi-dimensional aspects of drama. The course contents and the evaluation patterns are designed to keep pace with the age of technology and to empower the students, the learners, for futuristic academic avenues, say opportunities. Dear students, SYBA Discipline Specific Course 1 Appreciating Drama has CBCS. CBCS in the sense Choice Based Credit System. In this choice based credit system, you will face two semesters, semester number 3 and semester number 4. Each semester is of 100 marks. Further, each semester has 70-30 pattern. You will be evaluated for 70 marks by semester end exam. This semester end exam may be and will be written exam by university. It will be conducted by university. You will be evaluated for 30 marks by internal evaluation. This internal evaluation has two parts. First, you will be evaluated for 20 marks through a mid semester written test. And second, you will be evaluated for 10 marks by practical examination. Practical examination may be dramatic performance, group discussions, seminars, project presentations, library work, or maybe oral examination. So, in short, you will find that each semester is of 100 marks, and further it has division of 70-30 pattern, 70 marks by semester end exam by the university, and 30 marks by internal evaluation, and this evaluation will be conducted by the college. The 30 marks are further divided into two parts: a mid semester written test for 20 marks and practical examination for 10 marks. Dear students, now time to move for syllabus for semester 3. We'll discuss the syllabus for semester 3 of the Discipline Pacific Course 1, Appreciating Drama. In semester 3, we have two broad units. Unit 1, Unit First, deals with theory of drama, and Unit 2, Unit number 2, deals with a play entitled as A Midsummer Night's Dream by William Shakespeare. Dear students, Unit 1, Theory of Drama, deals with drama, the literary form, drama, the performing art form, then elements of drama. These elements are categorized into two broader headings: literary elements such as theme, plot, characters, diction, conflict, setting, etc., and theatrical elements such as stage directions, light effects, music, costumes, stage property, makeup, etc. Then we have types of drama such as tragedy, comedy, combination of tragedy and comedy, tragicomedy, problem play, absurd play. And then an introduction to minor forms of drama, for example, one act play, skit, street play, a short rodeo play, pantomime, etc. Unit 2 deals with A Midsummer Night's Dream, a well known play by William Shakespeare. Dear students, now we'll deal with evaluation pattern of our course, Discipline Pacific Course 1, Appreciating Drama. As we have discussed, each semester will have 3 credits for teaching. Each credit is equal to 15 hours. So this course, Discipline Pacific Course 1, Appreciating Drama, will have 45 teaching hours, and in addition to that, 3 hours are allotted for internal evaluation. The internal examination for 30 marks will be conducted in two parts. Part 1, practical examination for 10 marks. The practical examination aims at testing practical applications of the course content, and hence the evaluation pattern has to be practical one. So will evaluate by dramatic performances, group discussions, seminars, project presentations, library work, or oral examination for 10 marks of practical examination. In this semester 3, the practical examination aims at testing practical application of unit number 1, that is theory of drama. Now we'll talk about part 2 of internal examination. Mid semester written test will be conducted for 20 marks. Being a written test, this mid semester written test aims at testing the theoretical subject knowledge of the students on the basis of the given syllabus. For semester 3, the syllabus for the test, the syllabus for the mid semester written test will be unit number 1, theory of drama. Dear students, I appeal you to visit the following websites for more details time and again. You should visit the website of our university, Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune, at www.unipune.ac.in. Likewise, you should check the links such as syllabus and exam from this website time and again. Further, you should visit the website of our college, nspm-mahilacollege.in. In case of any query, you should write down to me at tejasbildar143@gmail.com. Further, I appeal you to use the discussion forum of our Google Classroom, SYBA DSC, that is Discipline Pacific Course Drama 2020 2021. Dear students, hope you like today's discussion over introduction to our course Discipline Pacific Course 1, Appreciating Drama. I thank you very much for watching this video.